AC, second unit's AC port for 1 QW. Awesome. 2 for 1. Get this guy taken off. Wow, plane fucking.
Nice close-up shots. Wow. Wow. Thank you. Thanks for that. Neat. Hannah, look at this guy. Yeah. Good fucking zoom on that motherfucker. Holy Hannah. I'll bet you that's an AC 130. Wow. Cool. Neat. Oh, that is so fucking cool. Look at that, he's got his landing gear out. Nice. That is fucking cool. Another fucking pass. Aside from trains, I do like aircraft, guys. So there's a little side content for you guys. Nice. Awesome. Twice. That's fucking twice. Awesome shot. I think he's taking off now. I think he's leaving here now. He's circling around again. Wow. Now I got 4 videos of this guy circling around. Neat. Yeah, thanks for the fucking bonus pass here, bro. I appreciate it. Come this way so I can get, so I can see you. See you again. Yes. Yes. Yeah. Nice. Hey, look at that. His gear's coming out. Thanks for that. Bonus pass there, brother. Nice. You get the logo and everything in there. Nice. Okay, now I should be seeing him. Okay. I do like aircraft, aside from trains, you guys. I can get a beautiful shot of them right there. Also, nice. And I think that's it. I think I got enough shots of him now. Look at this guy. Air Canada.